What's going on, everybody? This is Seabiscuit, also known as the Biscuit of the Sea. Today, we're going to tell you about our auto turret system and how we run more than 12 turrets on vanilla servers. So, stay tuned, give us a like, give us a follow, give us a sub, comment, let us know how we're doing. Appreciate everybody watching. So, this system is very effective in vanilla servers, any servers where there's a 12 turret limit, because it allows you to effectively run 24, 36, or more turrets depending on how far you want to go with it. So, how you set this up, just like any regular power system, you have your root combiner coming into your battery. Your power out goes to a smart switch. This smart switch isn't necessary for this system, but it is necessary for our backup turret system, which I'm going to show you in a second. So our power out is going to come to our first electrical branch. You want to make sure you configure this first branch out to 19 power. What this does when you collect Okay guys, so today we're going to show you how to set up our turret backup system. So this system is very effective on vanilla servers or any server with a 12 turret limit. This allows you to run more than 12 turrets. Most times we run 24 to 36, but it allows you to effectively have more turrets than the 12 turret limit. So how we set this up is we have our power coming in, have it to a root combiner. Our combined power out is going to go to our power in on our battery. The power out will go to a smart switch. Smart switch is not necessary for this system to work. However, this is necessary for our next backup turret. Hey guys, so what we have here today is our auto turret backup system. So this system effectively allows you to use more than 12 auto turrets. On most vanilla servers, you have a 12 turret limit. So this allows you to I don't want to say bypass that, but it allows you to run effectively 24 to 36 turrets in your base. So let's get started. So we have our root combiner with our power coming in. I have this running from a test generator because I'm on a build server. But run this from solar panels, windmills, however you want to run it. Your combined power out is going to go to your battery power in. Your battery power out is going to go to a smart switch. So this smart switch is not needed at this moment, but however it is needed for our secondary system, which I'll show you here in just a second. So we're going to take this power out, we're going to go to our power in of our electrical branch. We're going to set this to 19 power. Make sure this is at 19. We're going to run this down to a splitter. So what this does is it splits 19 power two ways. So it gives you 10 power to your first auto turret and 9 power to your second auto turret. What this allows is when your first turret gets damaged, blown up, is no longer working, your second one comes in. This is really effective whenever you're getting raided to have the first turret they're going to see in the raid, whether this be your compound turret, your first turret in your base, wherever. Set this as your first line of defense. This will be your secondary. So once this is destroyed, your secondary will come on. You don't have to flip switches. You don't have to change anything. Automatically gives you a backup turret. So to run more than one backup turret, you just run this in series. So you'll go with a power out, you'll come back into your power in on your electrical branch, same thing, 19 power to the splitter. First one goes to your turret, give it 10 power, your second one will come off, go to your second turret, give it 9 power. Works the same way as the first one. So I told you earlier, this smart switch is crucial for our secondary system. So I'm going to show you how that works. So at the very end of your setup, whether you're running one electrical branch, 4 electrical branches, doesn't matter, take your power out and you're going to run it to a blocker for your secondary system. So this secondary system, when you run this power to this blocker, that keeps this whole system from being powered. The reason why I have this on a smart switch is so you can connect it to your Rust Plus app, and it allows you to cut this system on, or if that battery system gets destroyed, it will automatically cut on. So this is very crucial if you're running more than 12 turrets, you really want to beef up your base. So we're going to set this up the same way. We're going to have our root combiner, our power out, go into our power in of our battery. The power out from the battery is going to come to the power in of our blocker. Your power out is going to go to your first electrical branch. So this one's going to be set up a little differently. You just set it to 20 power. We use these for our compounds, our gatehouses, exterior, our furthest turrets away inside of our main compound. So you're going to set this to 20, and you're going to send both of these power, both of this. So how this system works, we're going to set it up the same way. Root combiner, power out to your power in of your battery. Your power out goes to the power in of your blocker. So this system is going to be off until the smart switch is activated or the battery is destroyed. So your power out is going to go to this first electrical branch. Set this to 20 power. You're going to run your power out to your splitter. Your first power out is going to go to an auto turret. Your second power out is also going to go to an auto turret. So then you'll take your power out of your electrical branch. You'll run 3 electrical branches here. Power comes in here. You branch 2 power off to this timer. Your second electrical branch, you branch it off to the toggle on your timer. Make sure that you have your branch out, your first branch out on your electrical branches to your power in, and your second electrical branch out goes to your toggle. That way it gets the power before it toggles, or this system will not work. Your third electrical branch, you're going to run it to your power in of your blocker. Now, this blocker, to block the pass through, you have it from your power out of your timer. We set this to 4 seconds. The reason why we set this to 4 seconds is this power out is going to these 2 electrical branches. Both of these electrical branches are going to door controllers that we have hidden on the back side of these doors. So what this allows you to do is when you cut your smart switch off, or you lose that battery, that component, that system gets blown up, it allows 4 seconds for your turrets to come on, and then the doors open. This is very effective for online raids. If they're already breached the compound, they're coming into the base, they've moved up, you need to clear the compound. Everybody in the team's ready. They've got their smokes. They've got their seal mats. This will give you a minute or two to get everything under control, reseal, and put you back in a decent spot. This is very crucial when it comes to big raids. We like to do this for not our exterior turrets, our compound turrets, but our gatehouses on the far side of that. So this is your very last ring of turrets away from the base. This lets you have more time, get your base defended, get it sealed up. You don't want to show this card off the rip. We like waiting until they think the raid's won, they're pushing in. This is a very, very, very crucial system that I think will really help you out. Love it, love using it. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. Gonna keep this one short and sweet. Y'all make sure you like, subscribe, follow, drop a comment if you think I can improve this system anyway. And thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next one.